they're actually applying lime. What they do is they cut 16-inch cut dirt, they come and dump it on the pad, put down lime, they bring another 16 inches of dirt, and then they continue to compact this until it's ready for the foundation for the building. As of right now, February 4, we're about 80% done on the building pad itself. Obviously, the goal is to have it ready to put the footers down and the foundation as soon as the weather breaks this spring, hopefully in March. The other progress that's obviously been going on is they're moving further to the south. That's where our geothermal wells will be. They're getting off the excess soil there, and they'll be drilling for those wells very soon now. One of the things, obviously, when you've got a large construction project like this, you have to have some place for the workers to have their meetings and get all their drawings together and make sure they can coordinate the work. Generally, you pay the company to rent portable offices, and they bring in actually like trailers, construction trailers. We were able to save the cost of those by using Mr. and Mrs. Eric's farmhouse. And so this is where all the meetings are held, and our construction manager has his office in here along with the architects. So we were able to save tax dollars in that way.
This is basically all the walls of the new building, and it's 2 pieces of styrofoam. They'll build up this high, or maybe 2 of these up, or actually that would be 4. There's 2 here. And they'll pour all that full with concrete, and it goes up very quickly, and that's how we're hoping to make the schedule.
It's kind of what the front will be when it comes out with the Talawanda High School.
That's cool.
Got the columns and like the big porch type thing.
See those T's everywhere? We got those on the floor.
You've kind of seen this.
Look at that! Look at that!
You
Stairs.
can actually walk upstairs and stuff.
You can actually walk up this model. Walking actually up the stairs.
This is the auxiliary gym. There's going to be 2 gymnasiums there. Behind these bleachers, there's another one.
Yeah, we'll go behind there, but this is just looking from the handrails of the gym, like if you're sitting up here.
Really, it's kind of a beehive of activity out here. A lot of people, if they have come outside, don't realize how much work is actually being done over the winter so that the site will be ready to go as soon as the bids are finished. As a matter of fact, the board did take in the bids for the main construction of the building, and we have a work session on February 10 where the board will entertain the recommendations from our architect and our construction manager to award the bids for the actual construction. And once the weather breaks, the construction of the actual building will begin. And I think we'll probably come back out here again and get some video when the construction is actually going up in the building.